Hi guys, let us learn an important topic in SAP MM, which is procurement and P2P cycle. Now let us know what is procurement. Procurement is a process of purchasing goods and services from external source or vendor. Procurement involves identifying business needs, selecting suppliers, negotiating prices, creating purchase orders, receiving goods, and making payments. Now let us know about P2P cycle, which is Procure-to-Pay cycle. In P2P cycle, first, organization checks the requirement which is needed. Next, then purchase requisition will be created by respective departments. Then the purchase requisition is sent to a purchasing group where purchasing team can approve or reject the purchase requisition. After approval of purchase requisition, if you have fixed vendor, then we'll send the purchase order to the vendor. If we do not have fixed vendor, then request for quotation is sent to a vendor. After sending request for quotation, vendor send an quotation to the procurement team. Then the procurement team will select the best vendor among them. After vendor got selected, procurement team will send an purchase order to the vendor. After approval of purchase order, vendor sends an acknowledgement to the procurement team. After goods get shipped for the delivery, vendor sends an shipping notification for the procurement team. Then finally, after delivery of goods, inventory people examines the goods quality, quantity, delivery date, and purchase order. Then finally, invoice is verified with a purchase order, which is known as two-way matching. Then invoice is verified with the purchase order and goods receipt, which is known as a three-way matching. If invoice is verified with purchase order, inspection, and goods receipt, then it is known as three-way matching. And at the last, final payment will be done to the vendor. Thank you.